Still wasting hours designing slides? What if AI could handle the design, formatting, and layout, so you can focus entirely on your ideas? Meet Funblock Slides, the AI tool that transforms plain text into stunning professional presentations in seconds. Faster, smarter, effortless. Let's dive in. Welcome to AI Ustad 2.0 for latest AI updates. Let's go to Google and search for Funblock AI, then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the home page of Funblock AI. Using Funblock AI, we can effortlessly create slides with AI and Markdown, generating beautiful presentations instantly and editing freely with Markdown. You can turn any idea into a polished presentation with powerful AI and editing freedom. Now, if you want to create a presentation, first log into Funblock AI. Here we can see our previous work, which we have done using Funblock AI. Now we want to generate a slide with a new page. For that purpose, click on New Workspace, Page Data Sheet, and Slides. There are three main options. The first one is Page. Here you can find an empty page, import files, or write with AI. The second is Slide. Here you can create a presentation with an empty page or create a presentation with AI. The third is AI Whiteboard. Here you can create AI flows. In this video, we will focus on slides. For that purpose, click on Slides. Here are two different options, and we can go through both. First, we start with an empty slide. In the title bar, type, "What is Bitcoin?" Then click on Create. Within a few seconds, Funblock AI adds our first slide. To generate more slides, just create another slide and type, for example, Introduction to Bitcoin. You can see our presentation is in a perfect design and format, and both slides are visible. Now, select any text and use Markdown. You can bold text, italicize, strike through, create bullet or numbered lists, add a table, caption, or quotation, upload an image, add a page link, copy text, optimize with AI, or continue writing based on your content. You can also review, edit, or write your slide. If you want to optimize text with AI, click on Optimize Text with AI. Within seconds, Funblock AI will optimize your text. If you like the AI optimized text, click Accept. You can also discard, insert below, regenerate, continue writing, make it longer, or translate it. You can also select different AI models by clicking Set LLM Model and choosing the one you need. Once your text is ready, click Accept to optimize your text, and it will instantly appear on the screen. Now, if you want to add an image, select the text, then click on Upload Image. Here, you can choose an image or paste an image URL. Click on Choose Image from your computer, select one, and click Open. You can also add a caption as needed. Once everything is done, click Confirm. Your image is inserted successfully. You can also add text to your slide, and Funblock AI will format it correctly. Using Funblock AI, you can design any type of presentation easily. Now that we have created a presentation using an empty page, click on Watch Presentation Slide to see your presentation. It's ready. Using Funblock AI, you can create this type of presentation easily, insert images, and make your presentation more attractive. Your presentation is fully functional. You can also add a theme by clicking on Theme. There are different types of themes, and you can select the best one according to your needs. This is the beauty of Funblock AI. Once you change the theme, let's play and check the presentation. Wow, it's amazing. Using an empty page, you can create and customize your presentation easily. If you want to create slides with AI, click on Write Slide with AI. In the prompt bar, type "What is Bitcoin?" then click Create. Funblock AI will generate slides according to your query. You can also add other requirements, such as language, style, word count, and more. You can set the LLM model as needed. Once everything is done, click Ask AI. AI will instantly generate your slides. You can accept the slides if the presentation is perfect, discard, regenerate, or translate as needed. If you like it, click Accept. Your presentation is ready. You can easily generate presentations with Funblock AI in a well-formatted and designed way. This is the beauty of Funblock AI. Anyone can generate perfect slides according to their needs. You can also change the theme at any time. Using Funblock AI, you can create beautiful presentations and share them with the world easily. If you want to add a flowchart, Simply select the topic, then click on Review Edit. Here you can generate key points, create a one-page slide, add speaker notes, a speech script, make it longer, or set showtime. To generate a flowchart, click on Flowchart. From here, you can select a diagram or timeline as needed. Once your flowchart is ready, you can accept or discard it. Click Accept, and it will instantly appear on your slide. This is the beauty of Funblock AI. You can easily go back to your slides and understand your flow. Now click on Preview to see your presentation. You can also add a meeting agenda or flowchart easily. You can also create a presentation from a PDF or Word file. Open any PDF or Word file, then click on Convert to Slide. With the help of Funblock AI, you can easily convert any PDF or Word file into a presentation. After that, it asks for confirmation. The slideshow has been generated and saved in your private space, or you can continue editing. Click Confirm, and your presentation is ready. You can easily create presentations from PDF and Word files and make your work easier. You can also change the theme as needed. You can also generate a presentation using a mind map. Here is our mind map about Bitcoin. Click on Ask Question or choose an option. From here, you can generate multi-page slides, images, summaries, mind maps, or reflections as needed. Click on Multi-Page Slideshow. Funblock AI will instantly generate your slides. Click on Edit to see your presentation and make any changes. When your presentation is ready, click on Watch Presentation Slides. Here your presentation is ready, created from a mind map. This is the beauty of Funblock AI. You can generate a presentation from plain text with the help of AI, from PDF files, or from a mind map easily. Funblock AI is a powerful AI tool. Try out this amazing tool for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0 for the latest updates about AI tools and trends.